Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm the junior sous chef at the Belle Vue Tavern in Ramsgate. We are at the Pegwell Bay. Beautiful scenery behind me. It's one of the best gardens in Kent. When the weather's nice like today, we are guaranteed to be packed full of people. All our staff rushed off their feet, trying to feed everyone. To get the food out as quick as possible, but keep the standards high. Previously, obviously, the kitchen was very unorganised before we came in. The oven wasn't great. It was a really old oven. It was like one of those old gas ovens. It take forever to heat up. The top shelf would be the hottest. The bottom shelf would be the coldest. Food wouldn't cook evenly. You'd have to keep rotating food to make sure you get an even colour on it. It wouldn't have a steamer in the oven, so we'd have to boil everything. We tried our best to utilise it as well as we possibly could, but there was always that extra pressure because you had to think, oh, what have I got in the oven? Have I got to rotate it in 5 minutes? Have I got to go back and see it in 10 minutes? So you couldn't focus fully on service because you always had to have that at the back of your mind. It would add pressure and make us feel frustrated in the kitchen because we couldn't deliver the quality we wanted. Our head chef did mention if we should get a new oven. Obviously, we immediately was like, yes, we need a new oven, without a second thought, really. When we first had the MKN, the oven fitted, I was a bit sceptical. When you're busy, you don't want to keep tapping things and, adjusting temperature. But that wasn't the case, because obviously you already have programs installed in the oven. All you'd have to do is just tap on whatever you're cooking and that's it. The oven does the rest for you, so do you know what I mean? It's a no-brainer, really. So it's a small kitchen, Obviously, the other oven we had was slightly bigger than the one we have, but capacity-wise, you wouldn't fit many trays in there because you wouldn't be able to close the door. This one, they fit in with ease. You could take the racks out, and use the full capacity of the oven in whatever you want to use. So it is small, but it's clever. Immediately, sales increased. We had a 3% increase in sales, and food quality increased and efficiency time increased. If I was talking to my chef friends outside of work about the MKN SpaceCombi, I'd tell them it's easier to use, more efficient, more quicker, heats up quicker, keeps the heat in the oven 10 times better in my opinion. It might be small, but it packs a punch. If you're ever in Ramsgate, why not pop in, There's not a lot of views like this anywhere out there, I think. Come down, try our food, especially the katsu curry I'd recommend. See for yourself.